هذه مهمة ألا وهي القمة، المكان والمكانة ينفرد بها السعودي في السماء كالصقور، على البر كالأسود، نحن كلنا سعودي على مرأم الشهود، نحن الهمة حتى القمة والمهمة أن تسود.
يا موطني نفخر بعشقك وانت سكننا، ونهيم في حبك وندفع عمرنا كله، ونجود بالهمة لجل ما تكون في القمة، فوق السحايب مكانك يا سعود.
Master Pack NW Air Circuit Breaker 3 pole. Master Pack NW 4 pole air circuit breaker. Neutral sensor city 4 pole breaker. This is 4000 ampere. This 3 pole breaker rear side. These 3 are chewed in top of this is 4 pole breaker Master Pack NW. This is rear side. This R chute is 4. 1 R chute, 2, 3, 4. 4 R chute, 4 pole breaker. This neutral, line 1, line 2, line 3, in, neutral, line 1, line 2, line 3, out. This 3 pole R chute, 3 R chute. This is line 1, line 2, line 3, 3 pole rear side, in, line 1, line 2, line 3, this out. This 4 pole breaker. This is 3 pole air circuit breaker. This is front side cover open, and I show you how to fix coil. This is this XF MX MN. This is breaker crank. This is motor crank shop is giving here. This is spring charge, and this is motor crank shaft. This micro jig is fixing here. How to fix, I will show only temporary. This one is slot, and press the slot, one screw down, one screw up in fixing, and this cable from micro jig control. This is for micro jig unit. This is communicate cable, another 4 cable. This is was DCM communicate. This is of internet working from breaker on off indication. This is on off coil supply from internet, closing coil supply. This is 4 pole breaker. This is XF closing coil is fixing here. This is MX is, this is MN under voltage, and this is giving 5 slot here. First one is motor, second one PF, and third one is XF, and fourth one is MX, and fifth one is MN. This 4 pole breaker is showing and this is the motor side, and this 4 pole down side, and stool is keeping in 3 pole upper side and 4 pole down side. How to see this? This is motor from NW. This is crank, and how to fix, I will show you. This is 230 motor. I will show how to on. This is not on now. Will be micro jig not fixed here. That lever should be pressed, and they should be on. They press on. I will press the lever, my finger. I'll remove the finger. This should be off. Indication is coming there down. This is the micrologic condition from using, not fixed the micrologic. That's why. Now how to fix motor? Motor fixing verb is handle side. That sharp is going inside. I will show you how to fix this right side fixing motor. This is the sharp and motor fixing here. This is sharp point and this is sharp is giving here point is going notching here. This type of fixing here motor. This motor cable will be fixed. That 5 slot in first last 5 slot is fixing the cable motor. This is installed the motor. The another I will show the open MX. I will fix here one. There is a 3 hole. There is MX, MN, XF. This is the first I will plate screw loose. Why I will fixing the MX open coil. This slot cable going there. This type is fixing. I will show how to. This is not proper side. That's why not going inside. Then turn round is label showing MX XF. This is the correct point. This is MX. MX is open. This 2 coil. This is MN. This lever is out. Pin is out. MN. This is XF. XF and MX. Both are coiled same. This is lever inside XF. I will show you both side. This big one is MN. This is small one is XF. This small one is I'll be fixing. The XF is closing coil. This side I will fix here. This type of fixing, and this will be slot going of number 3. This XF and MX is written the. This is the correct position. Yes. This is installed. 1 XF is installed. This MN. This lever is outside. This is MN. The MN fixing from the left side. This is slot. The MN. MN will be installed here, and then MN install, and the cable will be fixing. The cable will should return MN, and the fixing here is 5 slot and 4 slot will be cover. Now PF. PF means ready to close contact. This is called from ready to close contact. From PF, the handle side is lever side is fixing here. The press and fixing. This is the PF closing. Ready to close contact. This PF is ready to close contact fixing here. This 5 slot will be fill. The cable is coil. This plate is written MN, XF and XF MN motor. This is communicate cable here this terminal, all this micrologic and this communicate. One cable I will should fix here was is communicate cable. Is communicate means communication cable. This need fixing, this fixing here. This is the OF, normal, one open close, one open. This is BCM LUP. This is from communicate operating. This is signal from giving on off. That the my thumbs is picking there, is fixing there. We giving a on off signal to communicate from here to signal giving from this cable is EN6. EN6. This is communicate cable. This is micrologic fixing here in BCM upside, BCM going inside. This micro is fixed. This cable will be okay. This is going here. Then micrologic will be fixed here. This is the lever micrologic. This cable will be fixed in top side. And cover will be fixed. You can be subscribe my channel and see the master pack 4-pole brake is air circuit breaker and 3-pole air circuit breaker.